Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome to Boneyard Labs. Today we have here a Kaspa miner KS3, the beasts of all beasts. All right, we're gonna hook this up today. This is our first one for our KS3. So we got our instruction manual pulled up here, and we're just gonna go through the motions, and I'm just documenting it for the hell of it because this is freaking awesome. And we want to get this sucker fired up and have you guys enjoy the video. Where we're at right now is, like, as you can see over here, we got a couple of miners. We got all of your typical back in the 2020 era when Dogecoin was all the craze and Litecoin and all that. We got a couple of those that are just still running for the heck of it. We got two KS0s. We've been just running that for a while, and it's been working out pretty well so far. We got a little vortex fan just shooting air through our fins. We have a Bitcoin miner, the S19 Pro. We don't have it running right now. We actually just bought it when it was a pretty good price, and now we see Bitcoin climbing up here, so hopefully we made a good purchase at that point. Eventually we can turn this thing back on and make it profitable, but what we know right now is we got to get this KS3 running. Alright, so let's start working on that. The first thing that it tells you to go through is do a visual inspection. I already did that, made sure that everything was good. The box wasn't damaged, this external structure wasn't damaged, the fans spin freely. One thing that I did see that was a little concerning was like one of these fan wires was resting up against like a really jagged edge right here of this kind of extrusion of the box, so I made sure just to get that out of the way because I'd hate to have it sit there and then the fans just vibrate and it chafe right into a fan and just kill a fan. So anyways, everything else looks good, so we're going to move on to the next step, and we're going to throw it over here, hook up power, and get this thing initially started. Cage here. Now we already have our 240 volt from our house here coming into our circuit protector. So we already got that. Now the instructions say we're going to hook up the Ethernet first, so we already got that routed. So we got Ethernet hard lined in. Let's stick this guy in here. Okay, we're all plugged in to our 240 volt. Now we're going to hit this power switch and we're going to get lights, and in about 2 minutes we should have that D2 light. That will give us our indication that it's booted properly. So here we go. Shit's about to get loud. Okay, I just fired it up. I'm waiting for it to decide if it wants to boot up correctly. Just gonna hang out. Waiting. All right, we are humming. Yeah, baby. We got our D2 light blinking. That means it booted properly. We got some flicker lights on the Ethernet port. We got our PSU green light. We got some power draw. Climbing. Boy, that is a sound of beauty. Sounds like money. Okay, so we just installed the batch processing tool so we can get the IP off of the device. So we're gonna go ahead and hit detect IP, and we're going to hit the IP button on the box so we can get this thing connected. 1, 2. Alright. Got the IP. Open your web browser and enter the machine's IP. Here we go. Alright, so admin and 1 through 8. Alright, so we are connected into here. You see we got some 8,326 gigahash at the moment. So it's been running for 7 minutes. It looks like it's doing its thing. Okay, we've been running this thing for a little over 30 minutes now. We are running about 13 amps, which is actually a little lower than I expected. I expected something more like 16, so we're running that. Everything's humming away. It's running real good. Kind of wavy on our chart, but our 5-minute hash rate is 79.75. So we'll just keep tabs on this guy and see how things go. And our temps are steady at the 40s right now with fan speeds at 100. So we're up and running, man. We're connected. We're looking good. Okay, we've been humming for about 2 hours now, operating that KS3. We already set up our mining pool and directed it to our wallet. We increased the
payout because we already had it at like 100 coins minimum threshold. And so obviously with a KS3, that'd be paying out very frequently. So we set that to 1,000. So that'll probably be paid out about every twice a day. So we are looking good now. The hash rate is a little bit unstable at the moment, but we're going to run it for probably about a day or two, 24 hours, 48 hours, and see if anything changes and whatnot. Might have to do a software update, or excuse me, a firmware update. Awesome. Well, anyways, thanks for checking out the channel, guys. We'll keep you posted. Hopefully you can even hear what the heck I'm saying over that damn fan. We'll be doing some updates probably soon because we got the AC fan that we see a lot of people use to get this fan quieter. I went ahead and designed and 3D printed some shrouds. We got some fan spoofers. We're going to be doing some more throughout the process. So we'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. See you next time.